One, yeah.
No, let's get that thing rolling. All right.
Just prepping, just prepping.
Yeah, absolutely. All right. So you're thinking? Oh, hang on. Got a family right here. Hey, yeah. Helping this stroll with the kids.
It ain't my fucking family.
Normally.
Ain't my family.
Kids are drunk, man. Let them in charge. Anyways, go ahead and fucking shotgun this thing. You want to shotgun as you're about to jump off, and then mid-air?
I'm gonna shotgun it and then I'm gonna jump.
Well, no, I do it like as you're finishing it mid-air. Would probably be the best way to go for footage. Hang on.
We're gonna litter?
Hang on.
And then we're gonna litter the
hang on.
turtles?
No, actually.
You're gonna carry
it.
it.
The fucking environment. I would absolutely hang on to it with your hand.
All
All right.
Oh, I'm not holding on to it.
Well, no, hang on to it. Don't throw it like a dick, but shotgun it.
I'm gonna
on your
throw
way
it back in as I'm leaving.
All right. You only got this much distance to the bridge, so here we go. Hey, we topped out at 48, baby! We topped out at 48, bro! You dusted him, dude! That kid doesn't even drink!
Okay, you can go back swimming.
I am.
Restart
Watch
now,
out, watch out.
maybe
Don't
you
get
will
near
get
the
there.
end. Oh, you're good. You're good, you're good. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby! Let's fucking go! My God! Right there! Top that shit, pussy! Motherfucker! Alright, we get what we needed? Did we get what we needed? Did we get what we
No, I was
needed?
not filming.
We get what we needed?
He was.